Right, I'm over in Kenilworth on this one. I'm doing these 2 units here, but they're not having the arch tops on. As you can see, a little bit stiff to open and close. And that one is catching quite bad. See, it's catching there, it's knocking. Let's see if we can work the old magic and get them opening nice and smooth. Well, we've got another one here with a poor drainage. That's just not enough drainage holes. So when we put more drainage in, you watch this water come out. Right, hold on. There you go, guys. See all the water? So they sit in water. That's why they go misty. Just not enough drainage, as you can see. So we'll add some extra drainage holes in. There we go. Show they're no longer catching as well. Beautiful. No longer catching. Happy days.